Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to use RTX in Roblox. So firstly, in your desktop or anywhere, right click. Now go to the new section and create a new text document. Now double click on it. In here, paste this code. Then from the file section, click on save as. Then give the file name client app settings.json. After that, click on the save button. Now you'll see a new JSON app has been created. All you have to do is just copy it. Then go to the search panel of Windows and type Roblox player. Then click on open file location. Then right click on the application. Click on open file location again. In here, you will have to create a folder called client settings like this and just paste the JSON file you created in here. After you have done that, go to the search panel again and type Roblox player, then click on open. From here, now get into any game. So I'll just get into this game. After the game loads, all you have to do is press escape. Then go to the settings menu. From here, navigate down to the graphics quality section and turn it to the maximum possible quality. Then resume the game. And you will see that you have gained RTX effect in your game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.